Hey guys, I want to admit to a lesson learned. This is a good remote control. It's a Bluetooth Hunter. You can water your lawn, your flower beds, or your garden with this, and you can set it up to water it, and you don't have to worry about it. What I did wrong was I left it hooked up all winter, and water's shooting out everywhere. I just turned it on, and guess what? The one in the front yard is the same way. So my screw up and my lesson learned will help you in the long run. These guys, this is a really good remote, but in the winter, when the winter hits, unplug it, take it off, because water expands, contracts, and that's exactly what happened. My bad. You think they're a little expensive, but I'm gonna have to get two more because I really like them.